Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going at Montagnana in Padova. Okay, let's go. As I'm seeing, there are many parking areas, and they are next to the castle. In fact, we parked the car around here and the castle is there in front of me. I'm gonna show you. Okay, we are inside and we decided to go to this direction, but we will go, I think, I don't know, all around this place, so let's see. I don't know what to expect. I've seen some photos in Google, but you know that then reality is always different, so let's see this town together. I'm already seeing a very beautiful building. I want to show it to you now. As you can see, there are many shops, and I think I'm too early. Some of them are closed, some of them are open. Yeah, this is looking so good. Let's continue. So the building I was showing you before, there are different sculptures and we're gonna discover them. And then I'm seeing this other one. I think this is in bronze. I don't know, I think so. Let's see. Franco Trevisan. Alright. Anyways, this is the sculpture I'm talking about. Okay. Well, honestly, this is not so a big place. It's a little town inside a castle. So yeah, I was trying to go to this side behind me, but there was another parking area. So yeah, we are still here once again, and we are trying to walk and to go through the walls to see if this other way will show us something more. Anyways, yeah, there are some shops and some restaurants, some gelateria. So if you don't know what's a gelateria, this is gelato ice creams. And then let's see what else. This place is beautiful, of course it's beautiful, but it's very little. Okay, we are really gonna walk through the walls now. As you can see, they are at my back. It's starting to rain, so I think I'm gonna wait from this place. And anyways, yeah, that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this little adventure in this very, very hot place. Take care of yourself, ciao, and meow.